This is a tutorial on how to use KET Encyclomedia. To find the website is very easy. You just type in KET Encyclomedia into Google and it'll pop up. The first thing you'll need to do is to create a login, like with any website, which is very simple to do. But once you have created it, you have several tools at your disposal. When you look at your dashboard, which is what this screen is called, and you click on the little area that says KET, it tells you about teacher events, things that you can watch and schedule for. When you click on subjects, it has a variety of subjects for you to look at to use within your classes. If you want to work on things for your students by grade level, each grade level is available. And of course, if you want to work on assignments and look for different videos and things for students by standards, you have that option as well. When looking by standards, you have a variety of ways that you can narrow down your search. So if you wanted to go by state standards, you just click there. The authority would be Kentucky, because we're in Kentucky. And then you have a variety of options of documents you can look at. So I'm going to choose Program of Studies. Because we teach high school and many times I teach sophomores, I'm going to click 10th grade. You can type in a keyword, but it's not necessary. If there's something specific you're looking for, though, that will help you to narrow your search. Once you've clicked everything you need, you hit Browse. And as soon as... Oh, my bad. Once you hit Browse, it will pull up all the different standards. So if you're planning within your PLC to teach one particular standard or two particular standards that week, then you can easily find assignments and other reading options to go along with that particular standard. So let's say I'm looking for enduring knowledge and understandings, things that go along with that. So I can click on that. And then it comes up with a variety of different videos for students to watch about teen fights for toxic waste cleanup and so on. Several different things that you can use. You can also look for things by collection, interactive lessons, lesson plans, media gallery, and so on. And a variety of resources will pop up when you click on those. Going back to subjects, since I teach both English and drama, I'm going to pick something actually in the English area. Okay. And you can just click on, like, say, literature or another topic, whatever your content area. And you get a variety of videos that pop up. You can also narrow it down by grade level, type, and relevance. So let's say, since I do teach To Kill a Mockingbird from time to time, I'm looking for something on To Kill a Mockingbird, and there's the perfect video for it. So I have a video available, and even before I watch it, it gives me a summary of what it's about and how it connects to it. And then I can click on Support Materials, and there's a variety of different reading about, the time period, things that connect with the characters, and the things that they deal with, including discussion questions to go along with it. And then lastly, it will give me the standards that connect with this particular lesson. So it makes it much, much easier for the teacher. You can also, when you go by grade level and click on high school, lots of different things pop up, obviously, but you can filter out your search by discipline. In this case, I'm going to look at English Language Arts. And then click Type. Let's say I want to do something interactive, so I'll click on Interactive. And I have taught Macbeth several times, so I'm going to click on that as an example. So it gives you information about what you're about to launch and what this is exactly. And then several support materials, just like before. And then, of course, you can click on the standards. Now, when you click launch, okay, you're going to get an introduction to Macbeth, so some background information. And then goals, vocabulary, strategies that go with the lesson. And then a variety of other resources. And as you can see, there are 9 pages of resources and things that you could use. Maybe you won't use all of them, but you might find some things that you could use that were very helpful to your students. It can make learning way more interesting. Okay, so obviously you can show them some things on your active board, but you also have the option of creating classes. So when you click on your account information, oops, my bad, you can go back to your dashboard, you can go to favorites, folders if you've created any, assignments once you create them, classes, tools, profile, or log out. So if you go to classes, and it gives you the option of just creating the class manually, or you can import classes from Google Classroom, which is very helpful since we do so much with Google Classroom. There are several tools at your disposal over here. You have a lesson builder, quiz maker, storyboard, and puzzle builder. And all of it will take you step by step. So it kind of takes the guesswork out of what am I supposed to do next. So like if you click on lesson builder and you decide, yes, I'm going to create a lesson, I'll click there. And it goes through a whole step-by-step process of what you need to do to actually create it. And it's the same thing with the quiz maker, the storyboard, and the puzzle builder. And you may want to upload things within these that you already have or create completely new ones. You may want to use the different assignments and a variety of options that I've shown you to pull into your lessons. It's completely up to you. But it gives you new options when planning lessons for your students. So hopefully you will use this to explore these new options and to build on your classroom.